Close practice. We'll race. Okay, this is the main, folks. 12 scale stock. Paul Martin, top qualifier, with a 51.807. Mark will be starting out of the 2 spot. Hinshaw would be in the 3 spot, but he scratched. That would be Ken and then Matt. This would be a heads up start, gents. Paul's checked in. Can I get some marshals, please? All right, pick your post. Pick a post. Steve, are you marshaling? If you would, is your knee okay? Looked like you had one of my knees there when you stepped over that rail. Dave's marshalling. We got all the marshals we can ever use here. Okay. Everybody's checked in that is going to run. Your order is Paul, Mark, Ken, and Matt. Get them gridded up, Donnie. Mark in the 2 spot. Ken in the 3 spot. You gonna start way back there, Ken? Right. There you go, right there. That's your spot. There you be. Okay, we got a grid. Driver's ready. Marshall's ready. Can I get somebody at the first? You got the first post, Donnie? Okay. Less than 5. Okay, we got Paul out early around the first post. Matt and Ken come together at turn 2. Paul is out and fast with a 9.8 to a 10.2 to a 11.9 to a 12.2. It's Paul, Mark, Matt, and Ken, your order. Ken saying, I've got to get myself back in that 3 spot. Hanging with Matt. You got 2 pairs out there. The lead 2 and the next 2. That red car, your leader, down the straightaway, followed by the green car, 1 and 2. Matt hits the 3rd post. Lets Ken get by into the 3rd spot. Now the Pepsi car in the 4th spot saying, I got to find Feather. Get that position back. Paul gradually creeping away from Mark. With a 9.2 to a 9.4. Another 9.2 to a 9.4. 9.3 that time for Paul, 9.7 for Mark. That's going to let him creep ever more slowly away. Matt giving room for Paul around the 3rd post to let the leader by. Paul slowly checking out. 9.3s for your lead 2 cars that time. 10.0 and a 10.6 for the next 2. 9.8 for Ken, 9.9 for Matt. It's Paul, Mark, Ken, and Matt, your order. Paul now coming up on the back of Ken. Ken giving room around in front of the driver's stand. Nicely done, Ken. Paul gradually creeping away, about 0.3 of a second that time from Mark. Mark's first time out here in 12 scale. Looking very, very smooth and very good in that number 2 spot in the all green car. First time 12 scaler. A long time touring car. Feather giving room. 5:50 to go, drivers. 2:11 down, 5:50 to go. Paul, a 9.4, 9.6 Mark, 10.5 Ken, 10.4 Matt. Ken testing the outside borders down here at the end of the sweeper, finding them to be as solid as ever. Your leader through the chicane, around the dog leg and down the straightaway in that red and white CRC car, followed by Mark in the green X-ray. Matt Sharp in the Pepsi car, which I believe is an X-ray. Matt giving room in front of the driver's stand. Nicely done, gentlemen. Feather through the 10-1. Matt with a 10-5. Paul a 9-3 the last time. Mark a 9-5 as we've got 4 minutes and 45 seconds to go. Paul working lap 22. Mark working lap 22. Matt on his lid at the third post.
Hey, Matt.
Oh, that's Ken. I lied. Mark now coming up on the back of Matt. He lets him go by. It's Paul, Mark, each one working lap 24. Matt and Ken, each one working lap 22. Matt runs a 10-0 that time and slips it back into that third place spot. It's Paul, Mark, Matt, and Ken, your order. Ken with a 13-2 that time. Something must be wrong with that car at this point. It's just not getting it done. 11-6 for Ken. Mark took a 10th from Paul's time last time. He took 2 tenths this time. Paul running 9.7s. Mark running 9.5s. Mark trying to chip his way back up on Paul. The interval from Paul back to Mark is 3.3 seconds. Paul answers back and gets 3/10 on Mark the last pair of laps. 9.4 to 9.6. Paul gets it back. Paul's in trouble at the first post. That's going to let Mark close back up. Red car through the chicane, your leader. Green car in second. Now both cars on the straightaway together. That difference is now only 0.8 of a second. Paul back to Mark. See what it is this time, Bob. That distance remains up. It shows 0.6, but it's got to be more like 1.6. Paul 9.3, Mark's 9.6. 2:30 to go, drivers. 2.5 minutes to go. Working lap 36 for your lead 2 cars. Feather retires. That leaves Matt the sole contestant for that third place spot as he runs a 10-2. (9.5), 9.7 that time. Paul starting to creep away again. Mark made a late charge, but Paul stymied it and is now starting to stretch it out a little bit. 1:50 to go. 9.4 for Paul, 9.8. 10.4 for Matt. 10.7 for Matt that time. Your leader working lap 41 with 1:35 to go. It's Paul, Mark, and Matt, the survivors. 1:10 to go, drivers. Working lap 43 for the lead 2 cars. Paul with a little brush with Matt. Not enough to let Mark close up too much. 10.5 for Paul. 9.6, so Mark gets a second back. 50 seconds to go, drivers. Working lap 46 for your leader. Working lap 46 for Mark. Your rookie 12 scaler out there looking pretty smooth in second spot. We got 30 seconds to go. Working lap 48 for Paul. Now lap 48 for Mark. 9.6 for Paul, 9.7 for Mark. 10.3. Want more? How about a 10.6 that time? We've got 7 seconds. Matt's alive. Paul's alive. Mark is done. 50 laps for Mark.
Nice run, Mark.
46 laps for Matt. 51 for Paul. Paul finishes with a 9.5. Mark a 9.8. Matt finishes with a 10.3.
I'm trying.
They're fast. They don't slow down the corner.